Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, your third and final video is actually going to be the fun part. Okay, this is the exciting, not so boring fun part. Okay, because I get to actually share with you guys real proof, just as promised in my introductory video, the very first video you watched. I said that in the third video, I'm going to show you guys a little bit about I'm going to give you guys a little back office tour after I log into my own back office. And I'm going to show you guys around a little bit, and I'm actually going to show you guys proof of our payments. Okay, so what you guys are looking at right now is my Gmail account. Okay, you guys, and I'm going to open up a couple of emails just to show you guys that the type of emails that we get every single Friday by corporate, you guys. Now, August 6th was my first week of being involved with Questra, and I was very impressed because August 6th was the first Friday, and I received this email. By the way, my name is Alejandro, but in English it's Alex, and it's a lot easier. So this is my Gmail account. Don't want you to think that this is anybody else's. So this is what I got the very first Friday, very first week I was involved. Dear Alejandro, we are pleased to announce the completion of the current work week from August 1st, 2016 to August 5th, 2016. The brokers of Atlantic Global Asset Management has once again demonstrated their high level of professionalism through a series of lucrative deals for the company and its clients, showing the result in the amount of 6.2328% of the profits, you guys. So not too shabby for the first week, especially when we're making a little over 6% on our purchase. Okay, you guys. Please check the flow of funds to your personal account in Atlantic Global Asset Management. The balance of your personal account in Atlantic Global Asset Management on August 5th, 2016 is in the available amount of 2.86 euro, you guys. Okay, so that was my very first week. Let's go ahead and move on to the second week, which is the following Friday on August 12th. And again, got a nice email. On this one, we actually made 6.5676%. So it's a little bit higher than last Friday's, as you can see. So actually on this one, I made 5.87 euro. All right, let's go ahead and check out another email. Let's go to the next following Friday, which is August 18th. You know what I like, you guys, is this company is so professional. When you have a company sending you an email every single Friday without fail, it just gives you that confidence, that real good feeling knowing that, you know, that they're on top of it. Okay, now this email in particular was a very interesting email, and a very happy good one as well, because they're actually emailed me to notify me and congratulate me on reaching second level, which is now I became a bronze agent, which is pretty cool. So basically how I became a second level bronze agent is, together with my investment and my team's investment combined, we have invested a total of 3,000 euro. So now I'm going to be making 7% commission every time I bring anybody onto my team and they purchase a package or they invest. Once I become a third level agent, I'll become a silver agent, and I will then be earning 9% commission on the people that I bring onto my team every time they purchase a product or they invest. Okay, so that was this email, which is pretty cool. And then let's move on to August 19th, which was the next Friday. Okay, in this particular week, on this Friday, we made 6.0432%. Okay, and I yielded 44.59 euros. And the reason why I made 44 euros on this one, you guys, is because what I do is with my earnings, I reinvest my earnings. So what's happening is I'm compounding my profits. Okay, and that's why this week it was 44 euros as opposed to the smaller amounts from the previous weeks that I showed you. All right, so let's go ahead and move on. I'm just going to share with you guys one more because you guys get the picture. I just basically wanted to show you guys proof of the type of emails that we get every Friday, and I wanted to share with you guys that they share the exact percentages that we made for that particular week and the exact profits that we also earned. All right, so let me go ahead and show you one more here. There's one in particular that I really wanted to share with you guys, and here it is. We actually had a very nice spike during this week in particular, because we actually made 7.0792% on our investment for the week, guys. Now, I don't know about you guys, but when you're earning 6% on average, okay, typically we're supposed to say we make between 4 to 6% on a weekly basis, but as you can see, the numbers don't lie, and we've been averaging 6% on a weekly basis. Now, in this particular week, we actually averaged 7%, or we jumped up and had a spike of 7%, which yielded me 60 euro, 60 euro, okay? That's great, you guys. Now, any bank institution, you can go to any bank, at least in the United States, and you'll be lucky if you make anywhere between 1 to 5% on a yearly basis, you guys. That's a year. You guys, we're averaging 4 to 6% on a weekly basis here. That's phenomenal. I mean, that's staggering. Okay, so there's you have it. There's you have it. You have it. I showed you guys my Gmail account and the type of emails that we get every Friday. Now I'm going to try to make this as fast as possible, but clearly so that you guys can follow me, because what I'm about to do is I'm about to log into one of our back offices, because we get 2 back offices. Okay, you're going to have access to 2 back offices. I'm going to log into both of them, and I'm going to just walk around and explain to you how your back. I'm going to show you how your back office looks, and just give you a little tour. All right, you guys, so I just showed you my email account and the type of emails that we get every Friday. Like I said, every Friday is payday. All right, so let's go ahead and go into the Atlantic back office, okay? You're going to have 2. You're going to have the Atlantic Global back office, and you're going to have the Questra back office, okay? The Atlantic back office is where you're going to be able to fund your account and then buy your whatever package you want to purchase, okay? Now, I wanted to share or show something with you guys. Excuse me. Just a sec, I apologize. I wanted to let you guys know what you're purchasing here, you guys, is what's called a suitcase. Okay, we have white suitcase, a yellow suitcase, a green suitcase, a blue suitcase, and so on and so forth, all the way down to the bottom. You have different colored suitcases. Okay, now each suitcase has the cost. Okay, so this white suitcase cost a one-time 90 euro. Okay, this yellow suitcase cost a one-time 270 euro. And this green suitcase cost a one-time 810 euro, and so on and so forth. Okay. The standard package and the exclusive package, these 2 packages I really don't care too much for. I did purchase the standard because I just wanted to get an idea of how it operates, and just for my own purpose of buying a standard. It's just I wanted to check it out and see how it pays out. Okay, but anyways, the reason why I don't focus on the standard and the exclusive package, these 2, is because you don't get paid weekly on these 2 packages, you guys. You actually have to wait the full term before you're able to pull out any money. Okay, so the standard in particular, this one is 90 euro, but you do have to wait 365 days before you withdraw any money. The exclusive package is 500 euro, and you have to wait 48 days before you take out your money. Now, with any of the colored packages, like the white, the yellow, the green, so on and so forth, we get paid weekly on these packages, you guys. Okay, so for example, you buy a white suitcase. Oh, by the way, sorry. These are actually called suitcases, you guys. That's the proper term. these are suitcases: the white suitcase, the yellow suitcase, the green suitcase, the red suitcase, so on and so forth. So if you were to buy the white suitcase for 90 euro, you're going to be making or averaging anywhere from 4 to 6% on a weekly basis on this suitcase, 90 euro suitcase. Okay. Now with every single colored suitcase, you get paid every Friday. Now it's completely up to you whether you want to withdraw that money, or you can take that money and reinvest it. You can use it to buy more packages, and what happens ultimately by doing that, by reinvesting your money, is you're going to be compounding your earnings, which is just going to double, multiply, quadruple your income. And that's strongly what I suggest. I don't withdraw anything. I'm not going to withdraw anything for at least a good year, because what I'm doing is every week what I do is on Friday when we get paid, your earnings are going to fall, or your profits, I should say, your profits are going to be here, okay, right under where it says account current. This is every Friday where you're going to be having your profits. And then what you do is, as soon as you have enough to buy a suitcase, you can buy a suitcase. All right, so that's this is your Atlantic back office, and this is one of your back offices. I'm about to show you the next one, but in this one in particular, you're able to add funds to your speaking of, let me go ahead and show you how to add funds once you get registered. Okay, so actually the very first thing that you want to do when you get registered, and let me go ahead and go over that with you right now. Okay, now that I'm in this back office in particular, I'm going to show you guys how to get registered. When you guys first actually, let me not confuse you guys. What you're gonna do is, when you first get started, when you first get started by clicking the link below, it's gonna take you to my link. Okay, it's gonna take you to my link, which is this one. Once you click the link below, you guys, what you're gonna do is it's gonna open up my website. Okay, it's gonna bring you to this website right here, Questra World. Okay, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here to the right hand side where it says sign up, and then you're gonna click on sign up. Okay, once you get here, it's going to ask you to enter your phone number. Okay, now you guys, what you want to do here is you want to make sure that you put in your cell phone number. Okay, and the reason why is, once you put in your cell phone number in here, and once you click on register, they're going to send you a temporary password via text. Okay, now this is going to be this is my ID, so you don't have to change this. Okay, go ahead and leave this alone. Just put in your cell phone number, and then you're going to click on register. As you can see, it's going to have my name right here, Alex Villa, so you can confirm it's my website and it's me. I'm going to be your sponsor. So just go ahead and put in your cell phone number, and then you're going to click on register. Okay, now once you do this, they're going to send you a temporary password on your cell phone. You're going to, after you click on register, it's going to take you to a next page where you're going to pop in that password that they sent on your phone. Okay, if by chance they didn't send you a text message, that's perfectly fine, because when I first got registered, they didn't send me a text message. So what I had to do is, I had to, down here at the bottom somewhere, after you click on register, there's going to be an option that's going to say send me my password via email instead. Okay, so instead of sending a text message, you're going to have the option of having them send you your password to your email address. Okay, you guys? Now, once you're in, okay, it's going to take you to your Atlantic global office. Okay, so once you log in, it's going to take you to this back office. The very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to come over here. It's going to take you to your dashboard, which is going to be this. You're going to see the screen, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over here to the left side, and you're going to click on profile. Now this is very important, you guys. If you have to rewind this video, if you have to pause it, go ahead and feel free to do so, because this is very important. So after you log in, it's going to take you to your dashboard, but then you're going to go to profile, and click on profile. Once you get to profile, you guys, you're going to come over here to the left hand side and you're going to fill out all the information that it's asking from you. You're going to pop in your email address, you're going to pop in your phone number, you're going to pop in your name, your ID, your date of birth, your country, your state, your city, and your address, and all the other good stuff. Okay, you guys? Now, really important, okay? When I first got registered, this was a little bit confusing for me, but that's why I'm going over this for you right now. When you guys get to your country, make sure you put in your country right here, and where it says region, you're gonna put in your state, okay? So this is your country, and where it says region, you're gonna put in your state. Your city, obviously, you're gonna put in your city. And your address. Okay, we're on this one right here where it says address, you're gonna put in your street number and the name of your street, and that's it. Okay, you're not gonna put in the city or the or your state or your country. You're just gonna excuse me. You're just gonna put in the street number and the name of your street. That's it. Okay, where it says address for correspondence, okay, you're going to put in your country right here. You're going to put in your country, and then you're also going to put in your street number, the name of your street, and the city, and your state. Okay, so you're going to put in your country, your address, your city, and then your state. Okay, where it says postcode for correspondence, okay, where it says postcode for correspondence, you're going to put in your zip code, okay? So here you're going to put in your zip code. Nickname, it could be, this is going to be your username. This is where people are going to see. When you give people your link, this is what they're going to see to confirm that it's you, okay? So nickname, I put in my name, Alex Villa, so there's no confusion. So when people click on my link, they see my name and they know it's me. It's easier if you put in your name. You can put in your Skype name. Once you finish everything on this side, you guys, you're going to then click on where it says Save Changes, okay? Now, once you click on Save Changes, then automatically over here, it's going to pop up where you're able to, oh wait, before I go into this, you're going to have to also verify your email, okay? So basically, it's going to give you the option to verify your email. They're going to send you a password, or actually, they're going to send you an email, and then you're going to open up the email, you're going to click on a link, and that's how you verify your email. After you do that, you're going to have to upload your identity verification. Okay, it could be a passport, and it can be your ID, okay, your driver's license or a passport. Then you're going to upload that, okay, and then you're also going to upload your proof of address. So it could be a telephone bill, it could be a gas bill, it could be an electric bill, some type of utility bill that has your address and your name on it as well. Okay, once you upload these documents, you guys, just allow them 24 to 48 hours to get back to you, and then you're going to log into your back office after a day or two, and you're going to notice it's going to show verified, just like it shows right here. Okay, you guys, very important. Make sure when you first log in, you go in here and you click on profile. Okay, once you click on profile, fill out all the information on the left hand side, and then you're going to come down here and then you're going to click on Save Changes, and then you're going to upload your identity proof and your proof of address. Okay, allow them 48 to 78 hours, and they're going to come back, or you're going to come back, log into your back office, and it's going to show verified. Okay, and that's it. You're going to be completely profiled, filled out, and you're going to also be verified. Once you are verified, it'll show up here by your name. It's going to say verified, like it shows right here. All right, so that's, oh, one more thing. I also wanted to show you guys how to fund your account. Because in order for you guys to purchase any suitcase, the first thing you have to do is you have to fund your account. You have to load funds to your account. And this is how you do that. And obviously you have to do that after you become a verified member, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to come in here where it says account, okay? You're going to click on account, and you're going to just follow these steps, okay? Step one, it's going to ask you to what operation would you like to do? You want to transfer money? you want to withdraw money, or do you want to transfer money between clients? So you can actually transfer money from one member to the next, which is pretty cool. But in your case, you're going to choose transfer money. Okay, so when you choose transfer money, you're basically letting the system know that you want to fund your account. And then you click on next. Okay, step 2, it's basically asking you what form of method do you want to choose to add funds to your account. Currently, we have available, you can do a bank transfer. You can choose Bitcoin to add funds, and you can also choose OK Pay. Okay, we'll be adding a couple more in the near future. I'm not exactly sure which ones. I believe in the next couple of months they might be adding a credit card, but don't quote me on that. I think it's February of 2017 that they're actually going to be adding that, but I'm not 100% sure. But currently we have, you can do a bank transfer, you can use Bitcoin, and you can also choose OK Pay. After you choose, just go ahead and go through the rest of the steps, and you'll be able to add funds to your account. Once you add funds to your account, you go to dashboard and you'll see your funds in here. Okay, so right under account current, you're going to see how much money you've loaded up. Okay, once you have your available amount here, then you're able to buy any suitcase depending on the amount of euro that you loaded. Okay, you can choose a white suitcase. The minimum requirement here, you guys, you can get started for only 90 euro. Okay, so if you want to just give this a test drive, that's perfectly fine. I strongly suggest you come in with the biggest suitcase that you're able to afford. Okay, the minimum is only 90 euro, and you can get, which is called the white suitcase, which is 90 euro, or you can get the yellow suitcase for 270 euro, the green suitcase for 810 euro, the red suitcase for 7,290 euro, whatever you can afford. Obviously, the bigger amount, the more you're going to be making on a weekly basis, the more you're going to be able to compound. Okay, so, but that's completely entirely up to you. Another thing I wanted to share with you guys is there's no monthly fees, you guys. There's no monthly fees here. All you have to do is purchase your suitcase, sit back, relax, and watch your earnings grow and watch your money grow every single Friday. All right, so I think that's pretty much for this back office. So this back office, you're able to add funds and you're able to purchase your suitcases, okay? And I just showed you guys how to do that. Or you're also able to track your packages. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the packages that you own. It's going to say my packages, and you're able to see all these packages here below. All right, so that's that. Another great thing that I love about this company, you guys, is their support. Their support is just phenomenal. If you want to get a hold of support, if you have any questions whatsoever, you just click on this little green circle down here. This little window pops up, and then you click where it says new conversation. You type in your questions, and they will get literally back to you within 24 hours, sometimes a lot sooner. That's something that I was very, very impressed with. Okay, so that's a little bit of a rundown on your Atlantic Global back office. Now let me go ahead and take you into our other back office, which is going to be your Questra World back office. Now, in this back office, you're going to be able to keep track of your team and your downline and their stats, okay? How much they've invested, how many people they have on their team, etc. Okay, so basically you're going to be able to check your partner's level. I'm currently at level 2. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm going to show you the level you're currently at, how many, what your total sales are, or your total investment with you and your teams combined. So you can see I have 17,550 euros so far. You're going to be able to check your total statistics. You're going to be able to check your total registered partners, your total active partners, you know, all the other good stuff, okay? And then when you scroll down, you're going to be able to see your current team. You're going to be able to check everybody in your downline down here, okay? All right, so that's that. Oh, also, in your Questra back office is where you're going to be able to have access to your referral link, okay? So once you log into your Questra back office, here is your referral link. This is the link that you're going to be giving to people for them to sign up under you. Okay, so it's going to be the one on the right hand side. Let's see what else. I believe that's pretty much it for this one. Okay, so that's pretty much it, you guys. In a nutshell, go ahead, once you sign up, once you get registered, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, I have a couple of other videos where I explain how to do a couple of other things and a couple of other features that you're able to look at in your Atlantic back office and also your Questra back office. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much it. I've showed you guys both back offices. I kind of walked you guys through the registration process. Again, one more time really quick, when you log in to your back office, the very first thing you want to do is you want to click on profile, and then you're going to want to fill out everything on the left hand side. You're going to want to save the changes, and then you're going to want to email or verify your email. You're going to load up your identity proof and proof of address as well. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be able to log in, and it's going to say verified once they get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. If you don't want to wait 48 or 24 to 48 hours, you don't have to. What I did is I actually, as soon as I uploaded my documents, I went down here and I started chatting with a representative. I let them know that I uploaded my documents and I would like to be verified. Within 5 minutes of speaking with them, boom, I was verified immediately. So like I said, their support system is phenomenal. I showed you guys the back offices, and also, oh, one more thing that I want to share with you guys. When you guys get started with me, what I did is when I first got registered, it was the process, like I mentioned to you in the intro video. When I first got started, the registration process was a little kind of complex and a little difficult. So what I did for you guys, what I did for everybody on my team and for every prospect, is I put together an email that goes over the opportunity. Okay, it goes over the opportunity, all the facts, a couple of videos for people to watch. It's going to go over the presentation, and the second half is going to explain to you how to get registered. Okay, so what I did, you guys, is as soon as you guys opted in to my landing page, if you guys recall, when you guys first clicked on my link, you had to put in your first name and your email address to get to this page, right? Well, as soon as you guys popped in your first name and your email address, I immediately sent you guys an email with this information. Okay, you guys, so make sure you look out for that email. It's very, very important, because like I said, I sent you guys an email. You should already have it in your inbox. Go ahead and look for the email. Open up that email, and it's gonna go over step by step the presentation, a couple more videos that you can watch, and it's gonna also have my link in there in case you haven't registered yet. And it's also going to go over step by step how to get verified, how to click on your profile, and how to get verified. Everything that I went over with you in this video is pretty much going to go over all over again, okay, just to make sure you have everything. Another thing that I do for my team, you guys, is I'm going to give you guys access to this exact email. Okay, so that when you get started, you're going to have access to this email, and when you have a prospect interested, you can give them this email, and it's going to have your link in there. You're going to be able to sign them up with no problems. Okay, I'm also going to give you access to this exact same funnel that you guys just seen. So from the capture page, when people put in their first name and email address, to this sales page where the presentation, the PowerPoint, this video, everything you guys seen in this funnel, I'm also going to share the system that I use that's going to give you access to the same exact funnel. And all I'm going to have to do is give you my share code. Once you pop in the share code, you're going to have the exact same funnel to use for your Questra business. Okay, so what I've done for you guys is I've made everything so much easier than when I first got started, okay? It's step by step. Teaching your people how to get signed up, how to get registered, how to fill out their profile, everything from A to Z to make it very, very simple and very comfortable for them. All right, you guys, So that's it. I'd like to invite you to do one more final thing. I've showed you guys the proof of every email that we get on Fridays. We're averaging literally 6% on a weekly basis on the income or the amount that we get started or the amount that we invest in. You guys, 6% a week is beautiful. Okay, we're making a lot of money. Myself, everyone on my team is very, very excited. And I mean, it's just a wonderful thing to be able to make money in your stocks. You don't have to view any ads. There's no monthly fees ever. You just purchase your suitcase, you sit back and watch your money grow. Okay, so what I'd like to do, you guys, is I'd like to just invite you to go ahead and make that decision for yourself and your family. Take charge and take your next step towards financial freedom. Okay, so go ahead and click the button below. Okay, get started. Make sure you check out your email, okay, because it's also going to run step by step. But most importantly, click the link below, get started, fill out your profile, get registered, add funds to your account, or first get verified, okay, because you have to be verified, then add funds to your account, and then purchase your suitcase, you guys. This is going to be life-changing. All right, that's it. With your success in mind, I look forward to welcoming you guys to our team, USA's #1 team and one of the fastest growing teams internationally. With your success in mind, I'm Alex Villa from sunny Southern California, and I'm out. God bless.